Hey everyone, it's Vivian again, and today for this video, I will be doing this highly requested video that I will give credits to RotiKhaase MSP. This video is the buying and wearing the most expensive face on VIP in the beauty clinic. So your girl is not going to buy the whole look because it may come out to more than 10k coins, and as you can see, I'm like not even at 3k yet. So we're just gonna put it on and we're just gonna wear it and look at it. So as being said, we're gonna get into our most expensive eyes. So we're just gonna take everything off. And the most expensive so far in this row are these kind of blue and purple, sorry, not blue, purple, pink and green eyes, which is not a fave of mine, but those are the most expensive for this row, and right now we are at 550. If anything beats 550, then those are our eyes. So this is our highest and most expensive eyes in the whole eye section of the beauty clinic. So yeah, now we're gonna get on to eyeshadow. Okay, so on this page, guys, this right here is the most expensive, and we are now at 1,000. Wow. We're at 1,000 now, and let's see on our second page if anything is more expensive than 450. So guys, this is our look so far. We are at 1,000, and this eyeshadow was our highest one. Now we're gonna get into nose. Okay, our highest one on this page, I can't see these two because I've already purchased them, but for the other ones, I'm pretty sure this is the most expensive, 450. Right, so if anything is bigger than 450, then we'll get it. I mean, wear it. I'm not gonna buy that. So this is our nose. We have a cat nose. We are looking like a snack over there. Okay, on to the lips. We are now at 1,500 star coins, which I'm not going to spend on this makeup, although we do look really nice. Am I right? Okay, so for this page of the lip section of the beauty clinic, so let me just exit that out. Our most expensive one is either this one or this one, because they're both at 400. I'm going to choose this one, because we don't want us to look too ugly. Now we're going to get on to the, voice crack. Now we're going to get onto the second page of the lips. Okay guys, so I found one that's $500. It kind of looks like a sketch lips. So we're gonna wear this. We are now at $2,000. Wow. And we're gonna get into skin. Okay, so our highest one so far is just $300. I'm pretty sure they're all $300, actually. Let's just quickly look through. Okay, everyone, we're all done our amazing look. This, I'm pretty sure for now, is the most expensive look on MSP for all of these little things in the beauty clinic, these sections. So far, I'm sure MSP will make way more things for us to buy in the beauty clinic, but I think this is the most expensive. If I'm not right, then I'm sure there's definitely more things that I haven't tried yet. But for now, this is the most expensive look that I could find in Movie Star Planet's beauty clinic. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please sub. Don't forget to like if you like this video. And please comment down some video ideas, because I'm kind of getting all these ideas from other YouTubers. So please just comment down what you'd like to see. Thank you so much for watching. Please sub. Bye.